Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, December 19, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today is Fed Day. Everybody is waiting on the FOMC announcement. We're going to see what the Fed has to say. All in all, if you look at the markets right now, you have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up 16 3/4 points. Will the Fed hike today? Will they come out with a dovish statement? That is the expectation. We'll wait and see. I have no idea what they're going to say or do, nor do I know what how the market's going to react. But that's what's going to be important. So we watch the charts and we interpret it that way. Next up, I want to talk about stocks in the news. We have some big ones out here. FedEx reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Stock is getting roasted. Closed at 185.01, now trading at 171.35. I think this stock is way overdone on the downside. I will have gap levels ready to go this morning, but I think it's way overcooked. I had max move downside on my daily chart right here around 176, 177, and we are below that now. Right now, FedEx, as you can see, trading around 171.37. So, again, I think it's a little bit overdone. Should be into a lot of support down here. Again, I'll have some gap levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock. Next up, we have Micron, also getting hammered today. Stock closed, I believe, at $34.11, now trading at $31.49. Micron's another one that should be into very good support down here, maybe a little bit lower, but watch the 30.5 level. That's going to be pretty decent from what I can see. Next up, we want to talk about JBL, formerly known as JBL Circuit. Trading at $24.40. Good pop for the stock. Closed at $22.21. I like that level down there. Good pop this morning. But when I look at the name, you're going to run into some resistance, probably around $25.75, $25.70. So keep that on the radar today. If you own it, trail the stop loss. See if you can run it up another point or so. But when it gets to around $25.50, $25.75, should it get there, that is going to be very good intraday resistance. So keep that on the radar. Next up, we want to take a look at Renner Center, RCII, I believe is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 1401, closed at 1303. So this is a good little pop for the name. We'll see if it can continue to push up. I don't think this goes much past the $15 level. That would probably be maximum for today, but we'll see if it even gets that far. Either way, nice little move higher for the name. Next up, we want to talk about MLNX. MLNX, you know, this week is options expiration. What would we do without the takeover rumor? The rumor is that there's an Israeli newspaper saying that Microsoft could acquire MLNX, and the stock is getting a big pop this morning. Closed at $88.89, now trading at $93. I think the stock is doing fine, but nonetheless, it is a little bit high priced up here at these levels, especially in this market. But cloud computing names have done well. Next up, we want to take a look at General Mills. GIS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting a pop this morning, trading at $38.40, closed at $36.70. So nice little uptick there. When I look at the name right now, I have to think around the $39.50 level. There should be pretty good intraday resistance. We'll look at it if it gets there. Next up, let's talk about Eli Lilly. Ticker symbol is LLY. Right now, you're looking at the stock trading at around $111.59. Looks like they reaffirmed their guidance. So nice little pop for Eli Lilly this morning. We also have a lot of semiconductor names in play today with the Micron news. So SMH trading down a little bit. Let's take a look at NVDA. NVIDIA also trade out. NVIDIA is pretty much just a hair below where it closed. Let's take a look at Applied Materials, AMAT. That is trading at $32.75, closed at $33.28. Let's take a look at AMD. This one right now trading at around $19.44. That's basically right where it closed. Take a look at Intel. Intel right now trading at $47.78. So no big deal there. A lot of these are still trading flat. Semiconductors as a whole are trading better than I thought. I thought they'd be a little bit worse with the Micron news. But nonetheless, this is what we are seeing this morning. We got lots of moving parts out here. Right now, the futures are still higher by 15 points, but that means nothing these days. Again, volatility is above the 20 level. We have extreme volatility, and that's really all that matters. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to crude oil. Crude oil today trading higher by 25 cents to $46.85 a barrel. Crude was hammered yesterday and again today, really not doing all that much. USO right now, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, trading at $9.89. Gold futures this morning trading lower by $1. Right now, they're trading right around 1,200 $52 an ounce. Gold has been pretty strong as of late. A lot of it has to do with the fear in the market. So we'll be watching that closely. Here's the GLD. This is trading at 118.02, basically right where it closed. The U.S. dollar index today lower by a hair here, so we'll be keeping that on the radar as well. All right, everybody, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat. We've had a great 2018. We'll look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.